Hello, Paul Davis. This is Ricky here. Just quick video to explain a little bit about Office 365 and how we're going to be using this going forward, end of this month, going into February. To start off, Office 365 is an online suite of applications that allow us to do anything from syncing email across devices to syncing calendars, managing document libraries, creating automated workflows, pretty much any type of thing you could imagine needing to be done, we can run through Office 365. And in the future, you're going to see us moving more and more processes into the suite as it is available to us through the Paul Davis Restoration corporate office. And everybody who has a pauldavis.com email address, basically everybody who works here, will have access to these applications and will be more and more expected to know how to use these applications and interact with this portal. So to start out, Office 365 does run through pretty much any browser. You can run this on a computer or on a cell phone, a smartphone, tablet, any type of device that has a browser. So what you want to do is go to portal.office.com. Now for this, you're going to need your username and password. Your username is your Paul Davis email, and your password is the password that was sent to you when you started. It could also be something that you had printed out and keep with you, but basically this is going to be a password you're going to need with you at any given time. So I would really suggest having some sort of password manager or having a printed out version of it. But since it is something where newer users will notice that their password is going to be just a kind of seemingly random string of characters, it's really advantageous to have it saved on your computer. With that being said, I'll just show you the sign-in screen. This is what you would normally get when you go into portal.office.com. And I'll just type in my username here. That redirects me to the franchise login page. Since I do use Google Chrome Password Manager, it automatically populates. This is why it's nice to have some sort of password manager on your computer or phone. And that's why it's really nice to have a Gmail account that you can log in. Here's mine, and manage passwords, addresses, autofill type options, and more. If you're ever curious about that, reach out to me and I can help walk you through that as well. But now that I've got my password and my username, I can sign in. And here's where I find all of the applications that I have access to. Outlook for email. I also have the Outlook application on my computer and on my phone, but you'll see that you can use that either locally or online. OneDrive, which is going to be replacing Dropbox for users. This is kind of your personal archive for all your files. And it's an easy way to kind of share things back and forth without having to put them in the company directory. Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, these are all your classic Office applications that are available online, but you cannot use this license locally. We have to have a separate license for that, and if you need one, let me know if it's not working on your computer, but that is something that is only enabled on company computers, so I'm not going to enable it on your personal device. SharePoint is going to be a kind of company file server. It also lets us build sites and different applications to kind of unify everybody under one group. Teams is the same thing. And then the rest of these are a little bit more advanced or not really necessary for what we do. So with that, that's kind of an introduction to Portal. If you have any questions, always reach out to me. If you don't know your password, reach out to either me or Garrett Fox. will be able to recover your password for you that was assigned by the franchisor. And with that, we'll move on to the next section. Thank you.